Diamond push-ups, also known as close grip push-ups. Great exercise for developing the chest, the front shoulder, and the tricep. Now, when you're setting up for your diamond push-ups, we're gonna make sure that our palm placement is just that. We're gonna be in a nice diamond position, all right? So now when I set up for my push-ups, making sure that my palms are in that diamond position. For this one, elbows should be flaring out about 45 degrees. As I go into that plank position, I wanna make sure that my chest is in line with my diamond, okay? As I bend my elbows and get my chest nice and close to the ground, I'm gonna push through the palms internally, extend my arms all the way. Once again, extending the shoulder blades and making sure that my back is nice and rounded. And then I go back into that next rep here, okay? Notice I'm not squeezing my shoulder blades together, making sure that my core is engaged the entire time. Elbows are gonna flare out about 45 degrees, getting my chest nice and low to the ground, making sure that my shoulder blades aren't contracted as I push through the palms and lock those arms out. Now, diamond push-ups are a progression from a standard push-up. It is a very difficult exercise to master. So if you are having trouble with the diamond push-ups, here is a different variation for you. It's gonna make it just a little bit easier. As you're in that push-up position, you're gonna make sure that you spread your legs out wider outside of your hip alignment. This is gonna give you cross-body stability, giving you a little less stability in the palms and taking a little stress off of your shoulders, allowing you to fully extend those arms with a little less tension.